Hi, my name's Terry and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be talking about the Canva software. This is a free software online that's used for designing. I use it typically for book covers and book interiors, but it has many different design uses and a very handy free software. Now if you look in the description down below, you'll find a link that brings you to this web page, and if you click before you click this, let me just explain. This is the Canva Pro page, and you get a 30-day free trial if you click here. But there is a totally free version. It's not as good as the Pro, but it's plenty good enough for what we need to do. And if you want to increase the amount of fonts and images and whatever, at the time you're ready, you can always upgrade then to the Canva Pro. But like I say, if you click this link here, this logo, this will take you to the free Canva page. The Pro is still available there. And if you click the link to sign up either with an email, Facebook or Google, this will create a free account for you. Now obviously I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Okay, so that's me logged in, and once you've created your account and logged in yourself, it'll take you to this page here, which if you close this flash page, which is for the Canva Pro, this is the standard design page. And the first thing that we'll want to do is create a design. So if you click on the create a design button and then choose custom dimensions, this will open this dialog box, and then you can enter the width and the height of the page or document that you're going to make a design for. First of all, you need to choose the pixels, inches, millimeters or centimeters. I'm going to choose millimeters. And then this information here you'll get from the template that we've created. Now if you've jumped to this video and you haven't watched the previous video, I have made a video that explains how to create an internal for your book and a template. So if you pause this video, if you haven't already watched the previous video, you need to stop and just watch that video and download the template. Once you've done that, then please come back to this video, and from this point on we now need to open the template. Just before I do that, by the way, please, just to help the channel and to help the ranking in the search engines, could you click the like button and comment down below and ask any questions that you might have. Like I say, this helps with the ranking of the video. So now if you open the template, if you go to where you've saved your book template previously and open that up, as I explained in the last video, there is some information that you will need, and this is now the time that you'll need this. So the template can be all different sizes depending what template you've made, and as you make more and more templates you'll understand this. But this particular template that covers the full height, width and includes the spine measures 12.475 inches by 9.25 inches. And also it's got the millimeter size here. So we've got 316.87. So if I go back to, if I can find it here, and put in, I've forgotten now, but it was 316.87 millimeters by 234.95. 234.95. I'll double check that. So it's 316.87 316.87 by 234.95. 234.95. And then I click create design, and here we have a blank page. And what I now need to do is upload the image of the template. So I go to upload, which is here, and upload image. You'll then need to browse to where you keep your book cover templates, and I need the 6x9 100. This will upload. You can see it there, just uploading, and here. You don't have to wait, actually, you can actually click it whilst it's in the middle of uploading. So if I click that, it puts it over here, and then I can extend that to fit the page fully. So once that's uploaded, this is Canva. You can alter the size here. So fit makes it fit on there, but you can zoom in. You can go 100, 125. The other handy thing that we can do is go full size if you want to have a quick look at the full size. In fact, that won't be showing on the video. Bear with me and I'll see if I can make that fit full size. Perhaps not. Okay. There we go. I've got that to fit. Okay, so I'll just escape from that. And I'll take that back to fit. Up here, we can click the image and then choose this here, which is the transparency, which means that I can make the template go transparent, which is handy because I can either make it fully transparent or fully visible. So this enables me to drop images or text on this part of the cover. This is the front of the book, or on the back of the book, and keep everything inside of where I want. Eventually what I'll do is delete this template when the book's finished. Just here is the yellow box, which is the barcode area. So again, we need to remember that any text or images that we need to be visible mustn't be in this area. Okay, so the internal template that we downloaded, basically the interior was a food journal. So let's have a look at putting some text. So over here we have text, and we could choose heading, and I shall move this to here, and I'll just fade out the background for now. Sorry, that's the text. Let's try it again. So I'll click off that, and this is now selected. You can see the blue line around, and I'll now make that more transparent. Back to the heading, I'll click that. Now the heading is blue. Double click, and I can type whatever I like in here. So I've put food journal. Let's just zoom in a little bit here. Let's go 50%. In fact, let's go 175%. Okay, so we've got food journal. Now text-wise, if I click that, I can select up here, and then obviously there's a good choice of text. Just as an example, I'll go with this one, and I can add a subheading, and I might want to go again with a different text for that. And I've put my daily food tracker. So you'll see there's some handy items here. This pink line here shows me the center, so I can see I've gone center there, and same with this one. I can see I'm central, or if I wanted to, I could go off center like that, and then I can select this one and this one. Let's try that again, this one, and press shift and this, so I've selected both, and then go position and center, and then that will automatically center those for me. I can also use my up arrow to move this up. And like I said, you might want to put a coloured background, or you can choose backgrounds from here. And there's different backgrounds available. Let me just drop this wooden background on. I don't know if you noticed, but here it says free, and so this is not the paid version. So we need to look for free items we can use. This background is free. We can also use graphics and photos, but some are paid for, some are free. Say if we wanted to add a line of some sort on there, we could go here and search line, and this shows the lines that are available. And like I say, you've got free or paid. If we scroll down, there might be some, there's a premium one there, for instance. This one's free. So there are plenty of free and premium. So you know, you might find something that you particularly like, but unfortunately it has to be paid for. The great thing is you don't have to go for the paid version. You can create your design, and then when you come to save it, you can pay just for the element that you've chosen. So it might be like 99p for that. So if it just finishes the book off and makes it just how you want it to look, it might be worth just paying for a paid version. So here I've chose a line, and it's quite a broad line. So there are different ways of reducing the size. Obviously this is one way. If I want to keep the line quite fat, I would keep it there, and then I would travel in, and I can get the arrow right, this one, and this would keep it as a fat line. If I want the line to be thin, I would then do it this way. I'd go like this, which would make it thin, and then I can travel out and it keeps it as a thin line. So I might want to position that just here. I can select that, I move these down, and again keep it central. And if you want a closer look, let's zoom in and see what we think to that. I want that to be above that line there, so I can move that up. And if you want to check that your text is in the right place, you can again make this background. Sorry, I have to select it first. This then, obviously you can see through to the background, and we can see that the text is in line. If anything, I would say now I can see that the distance from there to there is slightly less than that, so that enables me to click this one, and this one. First of all, we'll line them all up centrally like that, and then I'll look again and click them, select them all. Not sure I got that right. Let's try it that way. And that looks central between those two. Okay, I'm going to fade give it full transparency to get rid of that so I can see what I'm doing. So this is just a rough idea of what you can do. I mean, there's plenty more backgrounds. There's images that you can upload, your own images to add. There are photos in here, and I could put in food. And I could see what's available for me to use free of charge. Now this is a pro version, this is free here, so let's look at putting this on. I mean, I could have made this a full background. Well, there we are, the video's reached 15 minutes, so This wasn't really going to be a full tutorial on how to use Canva. It was just an introduction to Canva. So it's something that you need to play about with and trial for a while before you actually have a book cover that you're ready to upload. I will do a separate video showing how to upload both your finished cover and the interior, but I'm going to leave this one in a minute for you to then experiment with. So before I finish off, I'd just like to say thank you for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and like if you like this video. If you have any questions on this or anything else to do with low content books, drop it in the comments below, and I'll try and answer every question that I get. Remember to experiment. You've got all the different items down the side here. You can change the color of the text. There's so many different things, and like I say, I will do a video that shows everything that can be done using Canva, but this is really just to give you a taster and to show you some of the elements and some of the things that you can do. So again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you found it useful. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, and my next video will show you how to upload a book cover and the book interior. So my name's Terry, and I'll see you again soon.